guys, Melcy back again. I'm back with a little retro football break. I got one box of 1999 Fleer Ultra. This box comes with 9 packs of 10 cards each. So looking at 90 cards. Looks like a 250 player, 40 rookie, 10 back-to-back. So 300 base card set. I got some inserts there. Looking for that as good as it gets. 288 packs. So picked this up on eBay for right around just under $14 shipped. So pretty cheap break. It's fun to go back and look at some of the old players. Some sets I never opened up before. So definitely never opened up this. So we got a box topper here. Nope. Just a thank you for purchasing. Alright, let's get the packs out. Alright, here we go. 99 Fleer Ultra. Hopefully they're not too sticky. No, they feel pretty good. And they're all mixed up here. Over the top, Keyshawn Johnson insert. Hopefully get one insert per pack. That'd be cool. Keyshawn Johnson over the top. Yeah, pretty nice design. Pretty simple. Still, a lot of guys that I'm not going to remember at all. Chris Galloway. Signed free agent. Marshall Faulk. That's cool. How about a Dan Marino? Been a while since I pulled a Marino card when he's still playing. Cool. Deion Sanders on the Cowboys. Dale Carter. Justin Armour. Don't know him. Oh, we got another card here. A little sticky. Brian Mitchell. Alright, pretty cool pack. Got that insert. And 9 big name players. Mark Brunell. Trent Dilford. Quarters. Muhammad. Bates. Now these are sticking, but they're not bad. I don't think they're doing any damage. So that's pretty cool. What we got here is Super Bowl 33. Terrell Davis. Bomb explodes Atlanta hopes. That's pretty cool. I don't know what kind of set they have of that. Super Bowl card. Junior Seau. Kevin Dyson. Green Lewis. Alright. Simeon Rice. Williams. Randall Cunningham. With Moss. Hasty. Ty Detmer. Got a rookie, Troy Edwards. The Steelers. First rookie. They make it nice and big there so you know he's a rookie. First rookie, Bobby Ingram. Terrence Small. Sign of the free agent. And Deuce Daly. And Chris Galloway. Skip Hicks. Don't remember him. Skip Hicks. Lamont Warren. Oh, there we go. Dorsey Levens. David Palmer. Eugene Robinson. Steve Atwater. Ryan Simmons. Oh, nice. Gerald Davis. There we go. Looks in pretty good shape. The cards are not beat up anyway. And I don't think the sticking's doing any problems, so that's good. Let's see if we can get another insert to this pack. Elvis Grbac. Bert Emanuel. Pulp. Chimera. Green. Doug O'Neill. Crumpler. And Brian Cox. Coach on the Texans now. Alright, we got backward pack here. Like the first pack, and we got the insert. Let's try to save that. Darrell Green. Herman Moore. Hawkins. Eddie George. Nice. Jake Plummer. Sam Madison. Starks. Jerry Rice. Cool. Bill Romanowski. Ooh, what kind of insert we got here? Caught draft. Cade McNown. That's a sweet looking card. Cade McNown. Nice little foil background. Caught draft. Second rookie. Alright, 3 more packs. Alright, let me make sure there's that. Yeah, there is one sticking on that one. Mike Sanders. Bruce Sinners. Robert Jones. Rookie Katzenmoyer from my Buckeyes. Yeah, happy with that one. Nice. That's cool. And we got a Bettis. The bus. Huh. Cordell Stewart. Charles Johnson. Cool. Alright. Terry Glenn. Hitchcock. Another Buckeye. Kirkland. Tim Brown. Jeff George on the Raiders. Totally forgot about that. Jeez. Stokes. Kent Graham. Shepard. Chris Carter. And cool, Emmitt Smith. That's a good pack there. Nice Emmitt. Alright, last pack. We got Alexander, Michael Strahan, Hall of Famer. Charles Woodson, nice. We got a checklist, Drew Bledsoe. Ricky Waters. Jake Reed. Pritchett. Ruth, oh no. Keyshawn Johnson. And Troy Simmons. Alright, that's the break. Pretty fun. Definitely got a lot of cool old name guys. Pretty happy with that. Smith, Chris Carter, Tim Brown, Bettis, Jerry Rice, Eddie George, Terrell Davis, Sanders, Marino, Falk. So that's pretty cool. Ended up with 2 of these. I guess these are base rookies. Katzenmoyer and Edwards. Get the Super Bowl. I think that's just a regular card number, but that's pretty cool. And there's 2 inserts here. Keyshawn Johnson and Cade McNown. Caught draft. So that's it for this box of 1999 Fleer Ultra. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.